If you want to develop a piece of code using AI, image learning, or anything of the sort that requires GPU power, CUDA becomes an important tool. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can install NVIDIA's CUDA toolkit on Windows 11. Now, downloading NVIDIA's CUDA on Windows 11 is a matter of just knowing the right URL. But before that, make sure that you have a CUDA compatible GPU and that you have installed the required GPU drivers. In most cases, you will be able to do this via the NVIDIA GeForce Experience utility that you can launch from your system tray right there. So as soon as I start this up, as you can see, I have compatible hardware. It's all the drivers should also be up to date, just as a preventive measure if you run into any bugs or anything of the sort. So I'm just checking for updates, and as you can see, I have the latest Game-Ready driver installed. So now what you have to do is simply open up your browser and head over to developer.nvidia.com/CUDA downloads. I'll put the link in the description below. And this opens up the latest version of the CUDA toolkit available to us at the moment. So as you can see, this is CUDA toolkit 12.5 right now. We want to download it for Windows, so I'm just going to select that. Then I'm going to select the architecture, then the version, which is Windows 11. And now you have two files here. One is a local executable and one is a network executable. The difference between the two is that you are only going to need the network executable if you need to re-download things or if you need a faster installer. The exe local, on the other hand, downloads everything at once. So if you're using the network installer, you're going to have to re-download individual components later down the line. Just click on the exe file and the download link will be made available to you. Now this is a 3 GB download, but once you've finished with it, you can just double click the installer to run it and follow along with the prompts as NVIDIA itself tells you to do. And that's how easy it is to install CUDA on Windows 11. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if we can make any other such videos for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.